Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can enable screenshot or screen record of your calls on Imo. So let's get started. Firstly, open Imo app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on security and privacy. After that, tap on chat and call privacy. Then tap on privacy chat. Then tap on block screenshot for calls. Then turn on block screenshot for calls. So this is how you can enable screenshot or screen record of calls on Imo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.